Nvidia bear stays firm amid market hype. Despite Nvidia's massive stock rally and dominance in the AI chip market, some analysts remain skeptical. Longtime Nvidia bear Stacy Raskin of Bernstein says he's seen similar market bubbles before and warns that the current AI-driven surge may not be sustainable. Raskin believes the company's extraordinary growth could slow once AI demand stabilizes and competition increases. While Nvidia continues to post record-breaking earnings and expand into data centers and AI infrastructure, Raskin argues that investor optimism has reached extreme levels. He maintains that market corrections are inevitable when expectations outpace long-term fundamentals, even for strong companies like Nvidia. Quants hit by momentum market shakeup. Quantitative hedge funds that rely on fast-moving trading strategies are facing steep losses as market momentum suddenly reversed. These fast-money quants, known for exploiting short-term trends, were caught off guard when previously strong-performing stocks began to tumble. The abrupt shift has disrupted models built on consistent momentum, forcing funds to reassess risk and rebalance portfolios. Analysts say the sell-off has exposed vulnerabilities in automated trading systems that depend heavily on recent performance data. While some expect the setback to be temporary, others warn that rising market volatility could make such strategies less reliable in the near term. Many quants are now scrambling to adapt to the new trading environment. $10,000 card shufflers gain attention after NBA poker scandal. High-end automatic card shufflers priced around $10,000 are drawing attention after being linked to an NBA-related poker scandal. The devices, designed to ensure fairness in casino and private games, have become a hot topic following allegations that one was tampered with during high-stakes poker sessions involving NBA players and associates. The controversy has raised questions about the integrity of luxury poker equipment and how easily it can be manipulated. Manufacturers insist their machines are secure and certified for professional use, but gaming experts say even minor modifications can tilt the odds. The incident has sparked new discussions about game security, prompting tighter scrutiny of high-value poker tech across casinos and private events. Struggling consumers signal more financial pain ahead. New bond market data suggests that financially vulnerable consumers are facing growing pressure as borrowing costs remain high. Credit spreads on consumer-focused debt, such as auto loans and credit cards, have widened sharply, signaling rising default risks among lower-income borrowers. Economists warn that these trends could slow spending and strain sectors dependent on household demand. The Federal Reserve's efforts to maintain higher interest rates are adding further stress, especially for those already burdened by debt. Analysts say that while wealthier households remain resilient, weaker consumers are running out of savings, leading to more late payments and delinquencies. This divide could deepen the economic imbalance heading into 2026. Chicago developer turns distressed CBOE building into profit. A Chicago real estate developer has sold the once distressed CBOE building for a solid profit, marking a rare success in the city's struggling commercial property market. The building, formerly tied to the Chicago Board Options Exchange, was purchased during a market downturn and later renovated to attract new tenants. Strong leasing demand and improved downtown activity helped boost its value ahead of the sale. Real estate analysts say the profitable deal highlights opportunities for investors willing to take risks on undervalued assets. However, they caution that most office properties in Chicago are still facing high vacancies and financing challenges amid post-pandemic economic shifts. Australian pension funds build joint cyber defense system. Australia's largest pension funds are collaborating to develop a shared cybersecurity defense system to protect members' sensitive financial data, according to the Australian Financial Review. The initiative comes after a rise in cyberattacks targeting financial institutions and personal information theft. The proposed system will enable funds to share threat intelligence, coordinate rapid responses, and strengthen overall digital resilience. Industry leaders say this collective approach could set a new standard for cybersecurity in the superannuation sector. With trillions of dollars in retirement savings at stake, the move underscores growing concern about cyber risks and the need for advanced protection in Australia's financial infrastructure. Stocks rally to records on easing inflation, strong earnings. U.S. stocks closed the week at record highs as fresh inflation data and robust corporate earnings fueled investor optimism. The latest consumer price figures showed a mild slowdown, easing concerns about future rate hikes and boosting confidence across markets. Tech giants led the rally, supported by better-than-expected quarterly results and upbeat forecasts. Analysts say the data signals progress toward price stability while maintaining steady economic growth. Meanwhile, several companies announced rebranding or restructuring efforts to align with post-pandemic strategies, including one notable firm unveiling a new corporate name. Overall, Wall Street ended the week on a high note, reflecting renewed faith in both growth and market resilience. TikTok's Rizbot shocks fans with rude gesture. TikTok's viral robot influencer, Rizbot, sparked controversy after appearing to give a user the middle finger during a live interaction. The incident quickly spread across social media, leaving fans divided over whether it was a glitch, a prank, or intentional programming. Rizbot, known for its humorous and flirtatious AI-driven personality, has millions of followers who enjoy its lifelike responses and dance routines. However, this latest episode has raised questions about the limits of AI behavior and content moderation on social platforms. TikTok has not issued an official statement, but developers are reportedly reviewing the bot's actions to prevent similar incidents in the future. OpenAI developing AI music creation tool. OpenAI is reportedly working on a new generative AI tool designed to create original music, signaling the company's expansion beyond text and image applications. The tool aims to allow users to compose songs, generate instrumentals, and experiment with melodies using AI-powered suggestions. Industry insiders suggest it could rival existing music generation platforms by offering more intuitive controls and higher quality outputs. While OpenAI has not officially confirmed the project, the development aligns with the growing interest in AI-driven creativity across entertainment and content creation sectors. Experts say such tools could transform how music is composed, produced, and personalized for listeners worldwide. AI security mistakes Doritos bag for gun. A high school's AI-powered security system recently caused a stir after mistaking a bag of Doritos for a potential firearm. The system, designed to detect weapons and enhance campus safety, triggered an alert, prompting staff to investigate. No one was harmed, and the bag was quickly identified as a harmless snack. The incident highlights both the potential and limitations of AI in real-world security applications, as even advanced detection systems can misinterpret everyday objects. School officials say they are reviewing the system's programming and training data to reduce false positives, emphasizing that human oversight remains critical. Students and parents have raised concerns about AI reliability and safety measures on campus. Who benefits from AI-powered browsers? AI browsers are designed for users who want smarter, faster, and more personalized web experiences. Unlike traditional browsers, these platforms integrate AI tools to summarize content, answer questions, generate text, or even assist with research directly while browsing. They are particularly useful for professionals, students, and researchers who need quick insights or want to streamline repetitive tasks. Content creators and developers also benefit by using AI features to draft posts, code snippets, or marketing material efficiently. While anyone can try them, the most value is seen by users who frequently navigate large amounts of information and need AI assistance to process, summarize, and act on it in real time. India becomes BlaBlaCar's largest market. BlaBlaCar, the French ride-sharing platform, is seeing its biggest growth in India, a market it initially exited years ago due to regulatory and operational challenges. After re-entering with a renewed strategy focused on long-distance carpooling and localized services, the company has rapidly expanded its user base. Analysts attribute this success to India's growing digital adoption, increased smartphone penetration, and the high demand for affordable travel options. BlaBlaCar's turnaround in India underscores how emerging markets can offer untapped potential for global tech firms. The company now considers India a key growth engine, demonstrating that past setbacks in complex markets can be overcome with the right strategy and adaptation to local needs. Is Waymo prepared for winter driving? Waymo, Alphabet's self-driving car unit is testing its autonomous vehicles to ensure they can safely navigate winter conditions, including snow, ice, and reduced visibility. Cold weather poses challenges for sensors, cameras, and LiDAR systems, which can be obstructed by frost or precipitation. Waymo engineers are reportedly updating software algorithms and vehicle hardware to maintain performance in harsh climates. While the company has successfully operated its autonomous fleet in mild and rainy conditions, winter adds a new layer of complexity. Experts say these tests are crucial for scaling autonomous ride-hailing services nationwide. Waymo aims to demonstrate that its vehicles can handle seasonal challenges without compromising safety or reliability. ICE developing social media surveillance system. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) is reportedly building a comprehensive social media monitoring system, raising concerns about privacy and civil liberties. The program, described by insiders as a social media panopticon, would allow ICE to track public posts, online interactions, and trends to identify potential threats or illegal activity. Critics warn that such surveillance could target marginalized communities disproportionately and chill free expression online. ICE maintains that the system is intended for law enforcement and public safety purposes. Privacy advocates are calling for stricter oversight and transparency, emphasizing the need to balance national security interests with individual rights in an era where digital footprints are increasingly scrutinized. Catch a cheater. Apps exploit human behavior. The popularity of Catch a Cheater apps is growing, but experts warn they capitalize on people's insecurities and distrust. These apps allow users to secretly monitor partners' messages, social media activity, and location data, often without consent. Psychologists say the tools exploit jealousy, anxiety, and obsessive tendencies, potentially worsening relationship problems rather than resolving them. Legal experts also caution that unauthorized surveillance can lead to serious privacy violations and criminal liability. Despite these concerns, the apps continue to gain downloads, driven by curiosity and fear of infidelity. Critics argue that relying on technology for trust issues may encourage toxic behavior instead of fostering healthy communication in relationships.